Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be walking you through how you can change the battery for your tile device. Now, it is important to note that there's a lot of different tile products that you cannot change the battery in. So if you're looking to change the battery, you need to make sure that you either have a Tile Mate or a Tile Pro. And to show you what those look like, just bring you over to their Amazon pages. This is what the Tile Mate looks like, and this is what the Tile Pro looks like. And it will change batteries, whether it's the 2018 or 2020 model of those particular tiles. And also to note, the type of battery that you're going to use to replace for the Tile Mate is a CR1632. And then for the Tile Pro, it's going to be a CR2032. And I'll link all of this down in the video description, the type of battery, the Amazon page that you can find these batteries at if you're interested in doing that, as well as the respective Tile Mate and Tile Pro purchase pages from Amazon. I'll also link those in the video description if you want to check those out. So now that we have the background information, I'm going to be walking you through how to exactly change that battery for a Tile Mate. Hey guys, to show you how to take the battery out of your Tile Mate, it's actually pretty simple. What you need is just a little pin or something to pop out the battery once it's opened, but just flip your Tile Mate around and slide open the battery compartment. And then take your little pin or whatever that you have, maybe a paper clip, and just push it in this little hole here. Pop out the battery. And then that's going to be a CR1632 to replace on your Tile Mate. And again, it's different on the Tile Pro. It's a CR2032. But then once you have your new battery, you just pop it right in. And then, of course, take the little back plate and slide it back in. And then you should be good to go at that point. So I hope this video is helpful, showing you how you can change the battery on your tile device. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and consider subscribing for more.